Those realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For the vast majority, the solution to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a ton of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. The history of meme coins. Image coins are digital forms of money aligned with specific topics, frequently humor and fun, as opposed to specialized items and administrations. It very well may be from a web image or some tomfoolery character. Dogelon Mars Elon coin are neither focused on innovation nor absent any trace of basics. Image coins don't serve genuine use and have no pragmatic utility like other cryptographic forms of money. Dogelon token is centered around networks and is local area driven. These are described by low worth in high flow. The greater part of the Dogelon Mars Elon are esteemed at a couple of pennies or a negligible portion of pennies. In light of the most recent information, around 124 image coins are available for use. Dogelon Mars Elon appeared from 2013 onwards. The very first image coin was named dogecoin. It is a digital currency with the topic Doge image. Kobosu K9 in Japan is the motivation behind the Doge image. It was made as fun against serious digital currencies, however the prominence of Dogelon Mars Elon has in the long run expanded. Dogecoin, Doge, Shiba Inu, SHIB, are the most famous among image coins and give fierce opposition to the crypto market. Dogecoin innovation was gotten from Litecoin, and SHIB is based on the blockchain of Ethereum. Dogecoin has 100 billion tokens available for use, and SHIB token has around 1 quadrillion tokens. There could be no appropriate consuming timetable and component for Dogelon Mars Elon, so for $1, you can buy a great many Dogelon Mars Elon. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu canine was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the canine is Kobosu. The discussion was filled with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had at last become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word canine was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was float on the web. Afterward, two computer programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the dogecoin to jab the extreme other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a shared cryptographic money to engage more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had sent off at a $0.00026 token worth, however the exchanges were executed past assumption. Thus, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterwards stopped at $0.00095 in 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and exceptionally unstable. Consequently, astute financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become well off temporarily. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens around the world, spiked tremendously in the ongoing year, and has moved to 9th position. At the point when the prevalence of such tokens expanded, many organizations thought of image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin dissemination. In July 2021, Thailand restricted the flow of Dogelon Mars Elon coins as a result of its shakiness and hazard. As a rule, individuals begin buying this sort of coin out of impulses and likes. This makes an unforeseen knock and dumps in the worth of the equivalent. The group conduct animated by an impetus in the market pushes the coin to spike. This may not occur with each coin. Some of them will go on with the exchanging esteem on the beginning stage, or it sent off cost for a long length without anybody seeing it and without making publicity on the This year, Shiba Inu surpassed the exchanged volume of Dogecoin. Elon Musk as of late tweeted a Chinese sonnet, and individuals began deciphering that tweet, alluding to Shiba Inu versus Dogecoin crypto spat. This made another shockwave in virtual entertainment. Dealers who were curious about Dogelon Mars Elon tokens additionally began buying them. Such web-based entertainment builds-up can't be anticipated without fail. It is much more unusual than the unpredictability of the business sectors. crypto holders can't expect every image coin will have long-haul acquiring potential. Dogelon Mars technical analysis. The eccentricism of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital money market. Consequently, giving a precise Dogelon Mars price figure is very troublesome. Authentic information of Elon cost shows the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.00000078. Soon after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.00000041, yet later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0.00000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.00000022. Dogelon Mars Elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Constantly 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars Elon cost had arrived at in excess of multiple times what it had begun the principal day of the month. Similar to our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is around $0.00001438. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.0000093666, with an all-out market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The circling supply is 552,955,726,479,823 Elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized investigation shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00000267, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st October 2021 has shaped the most elevated candle, with the immense backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0.00000771 to $0.00000267, upheld by enormous volume. In no less than a month, a small bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0.000001